Hello everyone, and welcome to Design and Manufacturing Project 2. Design and manufacturing is essential for driving innovation, efficiency, and competitiveness in today's global marketplace. By doing so, businesses can reduce project development process, organizations can minimize costs, accelerate time to market, and deliver superior products that meet customer expectations. Furthermore, as organizations navigate the complexities of an increasingly interconnected world, embracing the synergy between design and manufacturing will be very critical for the success in the digital age. Here we will present several ideas and innovations to existing products to encourage positive impact in the marketplace. It can be very annoying to have body wash or shampoo or conditioner or any other form of shampoo items that you can't get the remainder of the liquid or substance out. So as a solution to that, I wanted to propose a shower body wash dispenser that you could remove the top of any bottles that you have and screw it into a turning permanent shower dispenser holder. This design would incorporate several slots for multiple products, and it would prevent leaving bottles just around the tub as many people do. Some existing products in the market have funnels or tops that you would have to screw on and place the bottle upside down, but that causes clutter around your sink. In this design, you could put it along your shower wall and twist the bottle in right side up and then flip it upside down so you don't waste any product as you screw it in. This would be easy to manufacture because the parts aren't very complex, and it could even be 3D printed to fit your specific needs. You can see in the model that it takes many different sizes of products and is very easy to place in and fit upside down, so you don't lose any product that's left at the bottom of the bottle. If you have piercings like I do, it can be very inconvenient to have to put your piercing balls on when you can't see where the hole is, with the piercings being too small, or if you have nails, it doesn't fit very well at your fingertips. The solution to that would be having a piercing pin. In the products in the market, they have pins that you can pick up piercings and many small objects with, even the tools that you can use to replace phones with for small objects. However, it doesn't prevent balls specifically from spinning around or not being in the correct orientation when you want to put it in another location. My solution to that would be, instead of using a metal tip, you could use a magnetic tip that has a rubber insert that could fit different diameters of the piercing ball. As you see in the top right corner, there are 3 different diameters in which the product could be made, which could fit either small piercing balls, which are for like nose and lip piercings, or even bigger piercings like your stomach. In this design, you could take the rubber inserts in and out easily for different piercing ball sizes. And the pin shape makes it very easy to hold, just as you would hold a pencil. This would allow you to orient the screw hole of the ball facing up and then be able to place it on the piercing screw end and twist it in easily. The final design allows you to fit the piercing ball in very, very snugly. That ensures you to be able to twist it on and off as need be. For someone that is constantly working with tools and other mechanisms, I have to deal with nuts and bolts and screws all the time, and they always go missing or are hard to put on. My suggestion is make an innovation of the magnetic wristband tool belt. This allows you to put all your tools on your wrist at easy convenience. When nuts and bolts fall into places that it's hard to retrieve them and certain tools are too big or too clunky to fit into those spaces, it'd be so much easier to just put your finger in the place that you need it to either hold the nut or pick a nut up from. A magnetic fingertip could give you so much more control, and you could further secure it with the tool as necessary. The elastic string end band ensures that it will fit any hand size for comfort and support, and also can be easily secured when not using it. It's great for any DIY projects and repair projects when you're working with many small tools.
Idea 4 is crampons for rainy days. Everyone has bad experiences when walking on a slippery sidewalk or stairs when it's raining, especially if you're wearing sneakers which have flat bottoms. I once also slipped on a staircase and I realized I needed something to prevent it. The products in the market right now are generally a sticker that you can attach on the bottom of the shoe, but when you take it off, it will leave a stain and it is not reusable. What I came up with is to create a crampon that can be used on the rainy days. So instead of spikes for ice, I replaced it with a rubber so they can add more friction to the shoe, and it also has an extendable middle part which allows users to adjust it accordingly to their shoe size. The rubber holes for front and back also make it easier to adjust to different shapes of shoe. Here is a short video of the general shape of the product. And you can see the spikes that's made of rubber, and in the middle there is an adjustable plate. Idea 5 is a lockable rotating pull-up handle. As a person who loves to exercise, we know that different angles of pulling activates different muscles on your back. That is the reason why there are pull-up bars with various shapes and angles. But in a small area, it is difficult to install all different kinds of pull-up bars just to do different kinds of pull-ups. With an existing product of a pull-up bar that can be installed on a doorway, the product I came up with can give us different angles to pull up, and we can train different muscles even inside our house. There are existing rotatable pull-up handles, but the problem they got is that we cannot lock it in an angle that we want, which makes our body unstable when we pull. With an additional feature of locking on the joints, this product allows users to adjust the angle as they prefer and lock it so we can do pull-ups without worrying about our body rotating. Here is a short video of the product. As you can see, there is a hook that goes onto the bar and the rotating joint in the middle that can be locked.
Every day, millions of people visit supermarkets to stock up on groceries and essentials. And while shopping may seem like a mundane task, there's a frustrating problem that many of us encounter: wobbly shopping carts. Shopping carts, specifically the wheel and frame, are cheaply made. Shown in the picture on the right, the thin steel frame and improper materials can be easily damaged from daily shopping use, too much weight on the cart at one time, and running into curbs. They require frequent maintenance checks and several repairs every year. A solution to this problem is the shopping cart height extender. This new and improved wheel attachment allows for quick replacement of the wheel when rubber wears down, and dramatically improves the lifespan of the cart. It uses a thick stainless steel frame to prevent warping, but as the carts experience wear and tear over time, the wheels may still change height. This is where a telescoping spring button design is implemented to raise and lower the wheels as they become uneven. No more wobbly shopping carts and squeaky wheels. This new and improved wheel attachment allows for quick replacement of the wheel when rubber wears down, and dramatically improves the lifespan of the cart. It uses a thick stainless steel frame to prevent warping, but as the carts experience wear and tear over time, the wheels may still change height. This is where a telescoping spring button design is implemented to raise and lower the wheels as they become uneven. No more wobbly shopping carts and squeaky wheels. A close-up of the height extender shows the 3-notch design for raising and lowering the wheel. A common problem many gym goers experience is that they often lose their protein scoop. Whether lost inside the container, within the powder, or left elsewhere around the house, the Protein Pal is the only solution. It allows the scoop to be stored on the outside of any protein powder, pre-workout, or supplement container. The ring is made of rubber, which allows it to fit on all containers and is foldable for easy storage. Another benefit of the Protein Pal is that you won't have to dig around in the supplement to find the scoop, which is more sanitary. As you can see in the image, the Scoop Groove is specially designed for easy and accessible storage. This animation shows just how simple it is to use the Protein Pal. First, the rubber ring is stretched and lowered to fit on any size container. Next, the scoop is inserted into the groove. The Protein Pal is a convenient and hygienic way to store your favorite workout supplements.
The next product we're going to talk about is multi-use armrest case. This product is a case that covers around the armrest, whether it's a couch or a chair, and this case serves multiple functions. Have you ever spilled your drink on your couch or on your chair while watching a movie or working on your desk? Or have you spilled any food from a bowl? Well, this armrest case will prevent you from spilling your drink or your food. The product is made into a round shape and made with metal plate covered with silicone outside. This will help the case to secure a good grip on armrest. Here's the CAD model of the product with different parts labeled. The brown object that's labeled in green box is a couch armrest, and the gray object on top of it is the multi-use armrest case. And as you can see, the base of the product is the case sleeve, which is made out of metal sheet and silicone. On top of that, there's a bowl holder which prevents the bowl from slipping off the armrest, and there's also cup holder and wine glass holder which prevents drink spillage. Here's a video to show how the product is used. The first part of the video shows how the case slips in and covers the armrest. Then you can see the cup going into the cup holder while the handle is aligned with the gap. And there's a wine glass going into the wine glass holder. There's also a video from the top view where the neck of the wine glass goes into a gap so that the glass doesn't easily move in the holder. And lastly, here's a video of a bowl going into the bowl holder.
Innovation shapes our world, propelling us forward, transforming mere ideas into reality. It is the relentless pursuit of improvement, the unwavering commitment to change, and the audacious belief that there is always a better way.